Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to merge two tables horizontally in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, now you can see merge two tables horizontally. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now going to the table option. Now select from a row and columns. Then resize from table. Now select from a middle column option. Now going to the layout option. Now click for merge cell option. Now select from a all table option, then click for design menu option. Now click for a line color option and click for table border option. Now click for all border. That is. Now you can see merge two table horizontally in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.